let's start what we have come into the room to do. 1, 2, 3.
The streets of Nasarawa State University came alive with colors, rhythm, and joy. This is the Festival of Peace, where culture works hand in hand with unity. Every costume tells a story, every movement celebrates our heritage. This procession is more than tradition. It is a message of togetherness, creativity, and the pride in who we are. From the department to the convocation square, we move as one, with one rhythm and one melody. Every step reminds us that peace is not silence. It is expressed through action, arts, and community. We walked round the school. The sounds of our drums and our voices brought people out to come dance and smile with us. Everybody was happy. The atmosphere was amazing. Through drums, songs, and dance, our culture speaks, reminding everyone that understanding and harmony are the hearts of this festival. This is our story, our work of peace, hope, and unity. From Nasarawa State University, we show that when culture leads, peace follows. This is the Festival of Peace, where diversity becomes one heartbeat. Nasarawa State Festival of Peace 2025 was full of color, joy, and peace. All road leads back to the Department of Theatre and Cultural Studies, Nasarawa State University 2026 for the Nasarawa State Festival of Peace 2026. It's going to be amazing, just like this.